Well, another cold day in the Midwest. Another random video in the garage. Today I wanted to talk briefly, so as not to take up too much of your time, about some new gloves I got. Now, I did kind of a run through of styles and kinds of gloves you could get as a motorcyclist. You can check it here. One of the sets of gloves I talked about were these Helston gloves that I bought. They're not the best for protection, but they look pretty cool. They have all this kind of writing on them, making it look kind of like tattoos sort of thing, you know. Not really sure what the theme is besides skull and a little bit nautical, but the gloves themselves, they're just kind of just leather gloves. They're not really meant to be super protective, even though they have some minor padding on your palms, but that's about it. But I generally like this sort of aesthetic, and I found I think Instagram knows what I like, which is scary because I saw this ad for another set of gloves that are similar. However, they do seem to like they offer the protection that you would need as a motorcyclist. And here, I'll put them on and show you real quick. The brand is called Hold Fast. And they're called Hold Fast because, bam, you're holding fast. Now the term comes from nautical / biblical times, I suppose. I'm not 100% sure. But as you can see, these particular gloves do have the padding, the knuckles, a little bit of padding. They have some mesh-like material on some part of the fingers, and then on the inside you can see they have this nautical theme as well. Continues, and they're gauntlet style, so they go over your wrist. And other than that, they're partially leather, partially fabric or other material that is like a mesh. You could see you would get some sort of a ventilation on them, so I wouldn't wear them at winter, but you know, just a general riding around, I think in fair weather is not bad. And as you can see, they have the Hold Fast tattooed on the fingers. But anyway, they feel generally comfortable. They feel sturdy, well made. Came really fast within a week. They're not super expensive. I probably bought them, I'm trying to remember, did I buy them Black Friday? Anyway, I don't remember what they were. I think they were $40 maybe. And you could buy them from Hold Fast Glove Company, I think they're called. The last time I saw Hold Fast like this, and the reason why this piqued my interest was in a movie called Master and the Commander with Russell Crowe. It's about ships in the early 1800s battling each other in the sea, and one of the sailors had Hold Fast tattoos, which I thought was kind of cool. I'm too chicken to actually do that to my own fingers, but gloves wise, it's pretty cool. I do like them. I'm going to be testing them, of course, as I ride. They have the Velcro system. It's very comfortable to put them on, and they look like they, fairly safe. They're not the safest gloves out there. Obviously, they don't have sliders, plastic sliders, no knuckle finger protection to speak of, just your general knuckle protection and sturdy material. That's about it. don't forget, I am running a contest to win some tools and some GoPro accessories for your helmet. And it's the video. I always forget which side the video pop. It's here. Yeah. Super easy to enter. Just click on the video right here. And otherwise, until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Ride safe.